Hi, so my favorite place and the place I wish I was at is St. John Virgin Islands, part of the U.S. territory. How you get there is you fly to St. Thomas and then you take a car onto a ferry and the ferry across the ocean to the island. So this is the car on the ferry. Um, Once you get there, it's kind of just like part of the Caribbean islands chain, so there's a lot of little places to eat. Um, Hiking, one of the hikes we went on, we found some of the hieroglyphs you can see here. We found like an old mill, and then we hiked down to this beach. Sometimes you could hike high, and these are the views from higher up. A lot of great snorkeling. We went to the British Virgin Island baths for a day, which are these huge rocks, and they're called the baths. You can go snorkeling, so we went snorkeling in these two caves. A lot of beautiful hiking. Some fun wildlife on the beach and on the roads. And beautiful sunsets. And this is like the little town part. So, yeah, it's beautiful. Go.